Why is the Car Repair Operator 2023 worth talking about? Because it's basically the Swiss Army knife of vehicle diagnostics. Plug it in, press a few buttons, and suddenly you're a car whisperer. It's like learning a superpower, but instead of fighting villains, you're fixing check engine nightmares. Here's the thing. Checking engine lights has been notoriously annoying forever. You know, that light pops on and you're Googling, will my car explode if I ignore this? Car Repair Operator 2023 eliminates that pain. It tells you exactly what's wrong, often faster than your mechanic. The best part? It's designed for non-techies. I've seen other diagnostic tools that feel like using NASA software. This one? Easier than setting up your Netflix account, and it literally saves you time, money, and frustration in one go. Its database? Insanely robust. Over 10,000 error codes from different models and makes just sit there waiting for you to tap in. If you're running a repair shop or just trying to keep your car healthy, that's like gold dust. Pain points? Cost is always one, sure, but think about it. One trip to the mechanic might cost you $150. This device? About the same price for unlimited uses. If numbers don't sway you, I don't know what will. And it goes deeper than surface-level diagnostics. Let's say your engine's misfiring. Car Repair Operator 2023 doesn't just say your engine sucks. It'll pinpoint if it's a coil issue, spark plug failure, or something fuel-related. Lifesaver. It's also mobile-friendly, which I legit think is underrated. Pair it with your phone and you can save diagnostic reports, send them to your mechanic, or show them off to your friends like a nerdy tech flex. There's always a learning curve, right? Nope, not this time. Most users figure it out in under 10 minutes. If cars weren't your thing before, this tool builds confidence real quick. You stop guessing and start knowing. Here's a thought. If you're running a small shop in Portland, like my buddy Ted, he's seen his customer turnaround time cut by about 25% just by using this. That's hours back into your day. Pro tip, time is money. And what about updates? It's 2023. Everything should have updates, and this does. Car Repair Operator gets regular downloads for new error codes and diagnostic tweaks. It's like buying one tool and watching it evolve without spending more. But, fair warning, this isn't going to magically make you a master mechanic. It's only as good as the brain operating it. That said, it teaches you to ask the right questions, which is half the battle. So, if you dread unexpected car repairs like everyone does, it's almost irresponsible not to have this tool. I mean, how often do you find a legit future-proof investment for your car? For this price, it's kind of a no-brainer.